Folks, this right here is a staple of the South. All top turnip greens and cornbread. Now this cornbread right here is an heirloom Jimmy Red that we just love. And it's fried in bacon drippings and butter. And I'm gonna tell you what, that's some good stuff. We call them Hoecakes here in the South. If you ain't ever had none of these right here, you don't know what you're missing out of. That with some greens, don't get much butter.
Today we're in the garden and we're going to cook up some all top turnips. Now these are turnips that doesn't have roots, just strictly tops, and some cornbread, some Jimmy Red Hoecake cornbread. So stay tuned till the end and check out these Hoecakes. First, I take the stems out. Now, I know a lot of people don't do this, and I'm just a creature of habit. My mama always had me do this, my grandmother, and don't worry about the leftovers. My chickens love it, so nothing goes to waste. And then we got to get them clean, and I just simply fill the sink with water and rinse them from side to side until my water is clear. So I just move them to one side, fill it up with water again, give them a good swish and rinse, put them in the other side, and I just keep doing this till my water is clear. Now, I used to get in so much trouble as a youngster because I wouldn't get all the grit out of the turnip greens. I hated washing greens as a child, but love it now. So once we get, the last time I wash it, I just let them drain and get most of that water out. And we're going to cook it without any additional water. So I'm just going to add some bacon drippings. If you don't like the bacon drippings, by all means, add you some olive oil or whatever type of oil you like. I'm going to turn it on high, get this pan really hot. Now you're going to hear some sizzle because there's still some water in these greens. I'm just going to wilt them down. Got that oven going for my cornbread. And just turn these and get them coated really good with that bacon grease. Got to stay right there with it. And it only takes a few minutes to wilt these greens down. You don't want to let them sit in one place very long because you don't want them to burn. And I'll just move mine over to the side, add me some more in there, and continue stirring and wilting down till they all fit in my pan. So here goes my last little bit. All those greens wilted down to the perfect amount for me and Mr. Hoss. So we'll give it one last stir, add a little bit of salt, just a little bit. Stir it around. We'll turn it down to low, put our lid on there. Now let's cook us some cornbread. This is the Jimmy Red heirloom that Greg grew, and I'm going to grind it up really fine with my mock mill. It makes some pretty corn and taste awesome. Ooh, look how pretty that is. Fine, silky. Let's make us some Hoecakes. So first you'll need 1 cup of cornmeal. Now if you don't have any to grind, just use some plain cornmeal. A cup of self-rising flour. a tablespoon of sugar, and for all those sugar haters, just leave it out. It's my preference to put it in. A teaspoon of salt. Stir those dry ingredients together. And then we're going to take our cup of buttermilk and our 2 eggs and slightly mix them together. You don't have to beat them too much, but you just want them slightly mixed together. And then we're going to add that to our dry ingredients. And it's going to be kind of lumpy at first. Just want to work with it and get it really smooth. Then the last ingredient is a 1/4 cup of water. This doesn't have to be cold or hot, just water. We just want to loosen that batter up a little bit so it'll pour easy onto our hot Skittle. So we're going to get our Skittle hot. Again, I'm going to use some bacon drippings. And this Skittle needs to be really hot, and then we're going to turn it down. Now these takes patience, people. And you've got to stay there with it. So I put about 3 tablespoons of my cornmeal mixture on my hot griddle. And I've got it really hot here. And then I'll turn it down. Now I always burn that first one. Anybody got any tips out there? I'll be glad. And just continue to slowly do it. Again, it takes patience. It's not something you can get in a hurry with. And I always dab mine with butter after I flip it the first time. Everything's always better with butter. These are Hoecakes, and they look like pancakes, but they're out of cornmeal. And these are so good. Look at there. Great with those turnips. Join me next time in the kitchen with Mama Hoss.